Hello, today we will guide you through how to know if someone is online on Google Meet. To begin, open Google Meet by searching for it in your browser. From the search results, select the official Google Meet page. If needed, sign into your Google account so you can access the Meet home screen and all meeting options without interruption. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, look for the New Meeting button and click it. This is the starting point for checking whether someone is available through Meet. After that, choose Instant Meeting or use any option that allows you to start or join a meeting. The exact option is not especially important here because the main idea is to create a meeting space where the other person can appear if they join. At this point, it's important to understand a key detail. Google Meet does not have a direct built-in feature that simply tells you whether someone is online in the way some chat apps do. So, instead of relying on a status label, the practical way to tell is to invite the person into a meeting and see whether they join. Once your meeting is open, invite the person or share your meeting link with them. If they enter the meeting, that confirms they are online and available on Google Meet at that moment. This is the most reliable way to check using the current version of the platform. You may have heard that older versions of Google services sometimes showed a green circle or other presence indicator. In newer versions, that kind of clear online marker may no longer appear in the People section the way it once did. So if you do not see a status icon, that is normal. What matters most is whether the person actually shows up in the meeting after receiving your invite. To do that, click on Invite and send the meeting information using the available sharing method. After the invitation is sent, watch the participant area for the person to join. If their name appears in the meeting, that's your sign that they are online. As a quick tip, make sure the person has enough time to open the link and join before assuming they are offline. A delayed response does not always mean they are unavailable, and that's the simplest way to know if someone is online on Google Meet. Start a meeting, send an invite, and check whether they join.